Buenos dias. Okay, let me have all the men behind me and all the ladies in front of me. Yes. Okay, the dance we're going to do is called the KONPA. It's a ballroom style. Ballroom is a form of communication between a couple. So where the man is the leader and the lady basically is the follower. But the men, they lead up to 85%. So they are the boss on the dance floor. And the lady will follow 85%. And of course they can lead 15% in case the man is making a mistake. The first thing in learning how to dance as a couple is the dance position. So how to hold the lady on the dance floor in a very nice manner. So we are going to learn steps, and then after learning a few steps, and we're going to combine those steps together to communicate on the dance floor while interpreting the rhythm of the music. So there are 5 elements that falls into the construction of music. The first element is the rhythm. The rhythm is a specific sound within the music that never changes. It sounds the same from the beginning to the end. So while dancing, you have to pay close attention to the rhythm of the music. The second element is tempo. Tempo refers to how fast and slow the music is being played. So when interpreting the music, the speed of the movement has to be the same as the speed of the music. However, the first thing we're going to do is to show the dance position. Move forward. Yes, move more.
Falta una.
Okay? We need 2 more. The first thing to do is to open the arms, and then with that, we create a frame, and the man is going to hold the lady's right hand with his left hand. And the right hand of the man will place on top of the shoulder, and then the lady will close. This is called close facing position. It is the dance position number 1. Now the second position is a left side by side position, and then right side by side position. With that in mind, you are ready to dance. Now, the man is going to do the opposite of what the lady is doing. The man will start with left foot, and the lady will start with right foot. Now you see, you have to hold her here, and then we hold her. So we're going to do the first step is called the 2 ways basic. To the left for the men and to the right. 2 ways. We start with the right foot lady, and men start with left foot. Ready? Count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Split it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do just that. Before we start with the whole music, let me play the rhythm of the music for you so you have the feel of the rhythm. And the third element in the music is to count. How to count the beat? Which beat is the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 in the music? There are 4 main beats. Count N1, N2, N3, N4. N1, N2, N3, N4. Or N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6, N7, N8. Maestro, play la música por favor. Listen carefully. Now, the comprise.
Muevan sus caderas, su cintura.
Now, why this thing? We went to this to the music now. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, you start with your foot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. How it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Atrás,
Okay,
las parejas.
now we're going to do it with music.
Los demás que no tienen pareja,
Agarren pareja.
ahí en su lugar, los pueden formar.
This is just the rhythm of the music. But when we put the music together, the music basically is a form of communication, interpersonal communication between you and the music. And the sound and the value.
Ok, el objetivo de la
Now we're
música
going to
es
put all the instruments together to stimulate your feeling like when you drink a shot of tequila. La música es bien tequila.